Hey everyone, and welcome back to KidFable. Are you ready for an amazing adventure? Today, we're following two of our best furry friends, Miko and Max, as they explore a super colorful city all the way in South America. Let's go. Look, here are Miko and Max standing on a cobblestone street. Wow, check out all the bright colors. The buildings are painted in sunny yellows, ocean blues, and fiery reds. Miko, with his big curious eyes, can't stop looking around. He sees a balcony overflowing with beautiful pink flowers. It's so high up. Max, always the calm one, is taking it all in, his green eyes sparkling as he watches the horse-drawn carriages clip-clop by. What a magical place. Miko tugs on Max's ear. Max, look. That wall is huge. I bet we can see the whole city from the top. Max looks up at the massive stone wall that surrounds the old city. It's the famous Las Murallas, built hundreds of years ago to protect the city from pirates. It does look very high, Miko, Max says thoughtfully. But an adventure is an adventure. With a flick of their tails, they race towards the nearest ramp leading up to the top of the wall. Up on the wall, the view is breathtaking. On one side, they see the endless, sparkling Caribbean Sea. The salty breeze ruffles their fur. Miko balances carefully on the edge, his shiny green necklace glittering in the sun. I feel like the king of the world, he shouts. Max chuckles, sitting comfortably beside him. He spots old cannons still pointing out to sea. Can you imagine, Miko? Pirates used to sail on that very water, trying to get into this city. Miko's eyes widen even more. Wow. Real pirates? As they walk along the wide stone path, they hear music. A cheerful, rhythmic sound is coming from a plaza below. Miko's ears perk up. Music. Let's go see. He scrambles down the ramp, with Max following at a steadier pace. In the square, a group of dancers in vibrant, flowing skirts are moving to the beat of the drums. It's so lively. The whole plaza is filled with energy. Miko starts to wiggle his tail, trying to copy their moves. Even calm Max can't help but tap his paw to the rhythm. Feeling a bit hungry from all the excitement, they follow a delicious smell. It leads them to a friendly lady selling fresh fruit from a cart. She has a big smile and a beautiful, colorful dress. Miko points his nose towards a pile of sweet yellow mangoes. The lady kindly offers them a slice. It's so juicy and sweet. They also try a fruit they've never seen before, called a lulo. It's tangy and super refreshing. Cartagena is full of tasty surprises. After their snack, they wander into the neighborhood of. This place is like an open-air art gallery. The walls are covered in incredible paintings and murals. There are colorful toucans, detailed portraits, and abstract designs everywhere they look. Miko is fascinated by a giant painting of a beautiful bird with a long, rainbow-colored tail. It looks like it's about to fly right off the wall. He exclaims. Max is impressed by the skill of the artists. They turned their whole neighborhood into a masterpiece, he observes. As they explore, they come across a narrow alleyway decorated with a ceiling of colorful umbrellas. It's like walking under a rainbow. Dozens of bright umbrellas are strung up high, creating a canopy of color. Miko can't resist chasing the shifting shadows they cast on the ground. Max just looks up in wonder. I've never seen anything like this, he says softly. They sit for a moment, just enjoying the beautiful and unique sight. This city is full of little secrets, waiting to be discovered. Suddenly, Miko spots something climbing a nearby wall. It's a bright green iguana, sunbathing on the warm bricks. Miko, who loves to climb, is amazed. He tries to quietly creep closer, but the iguana spots him, flicks its long tail, and scurries up onto a roof. Miko looks a little disappointed. Max pats his back with his tail. Don't worry, Miko. Some friends are best admired from a distance. Miko nods, watching the iguana disappear over the rooftop. As the sun begins to set, the sky turns into a canvas of orange, pink, and purple. They find their way back to the city wall to watch. The view of the sun sinking into the ocean is spectacular. The whole city seems to glow in the warm light. Miko and Max sit side by side there. Necklaces, one red and one green, shining in the fading light. This was the best day ever, Miko whispers, leaning against his friend. Max spurs in agreement. Cartagena is a special place, Miko, full of color, history, and life. The city lights begin to twinkle on, one by one, like stars falling from the sky. The horse-drawn carriages are now lit with lanterns, creating a fairy tale scene. The sounds of music and laughter still drift up from the plazas. Even though their day of exploring is coming to an end, the magic of Cartagena is still all around them. Tired but happy, Miko gives a big yawn. It's been a long day of walking, climbing, and discovering. What a fantastic trip. Miko and Max learned so much and saw so many incredible things in Cartagena. From the mighty walls and colorful streets to the lively music and amazing art, it was an adventure they'll never forget. And the best part was sharing it all together. Where do you think they should go next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on KidFable, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye bye.